Birds, our feathered friends, bring joy to our lives. Their presence is a reminder of nature's beauty and diversity. Their songs fill the air with melodies that soothe our souls and connect us to the natural world. Their colors brighten our days, adding splashes of vibrant hues to our surroundings. But these amazing creatures face a significant challenge: finding safe places to live. Natural habitats are disappearing at an alarming rate. Forests shrink, leaving fewer trees for nesting and sheltering. Bird caves offer a practical and effective solution to this problem. These cozy shelters provide a safe haven for birds, ensuring they have a place to rest and thrive. They protect birds from predators like cats and snakes, offering a secure refuge. They shield them from harsh weather conditions such as heavy rain and strong winds. Most importantly, bird caves offer a secure place to raise their young, ensuring the next generation of birds can grow safely. Imagine a tiny chick nestled safely in a cozy cave, free from harm and danger. Your efforts can make this vision a reality. By taking action, you can help preserve these beautiful creatures. By building a bird cave, you become a guardian of nature, offering a helping hand to these wonderful creatures and ensuring their survival for future generations. Building a bird cave is a rewarding project, achievable with just a few simple materials. Not only does it provide a safe haven for our feathered friends, but it also adds a charming touch to your garden or backyard. Untreated wood planks. Choose cedar, pine, or fir. Avoid treated wood, as it can be harmful to birds. Untreated wood is safer and more natural for the birds. Nails or screws. Make sure they are long enough to hold the wood together securely. Using the right fasteners ensures the structure is sturdy and durable. Measuring tape and pencil. Accurate measurements ensure a well-constructed cave. Precision is key to making sure all parts fit together perfectly. Saw, a handsaw or jigsaw works well for cutting the wood. Choose a saw that you are comfortable using to make clean, straight cuts. Drill with drill bit. This is for creating the entrance hole and drainage holes. Proper ventilation and drainage are crucial for the bird's comfort and health. Sandpaper. Smooth out any rough edges to protect the bird's delicate feet. Sanding also helps to prevent splinters and makes the birdhouse more inviting. These readily available materials are all you need to create a safe and inviting space for birds. With a little effort and care, you can build a cozy home that birds will love. Remember, simplicity is key. Birds don't need fancy designs. They value safety and practicality above all else. A well-built, simple bird cave can provide them with the perfect shelter. Now, let's put those materials to work and build a bird cave. This project is not only fun, but also rewarding as it provides a safe haven for our feathered friends. Step 1. Cut the wood. Using your saw, cut the wood planks according to your desired dimensions. Precision is key here, so take your time to measure twice and cut once. A standard size is 6 inches wide by 8 inches tall, with a depth of 6 to 8 inches. This provides ample space for most small bird species. Adjust the dimensions if you have a specific bird species in mind. Step 2. Assemble the box. Using nails or screws, attach the side pieces to the base, forming a box shape. Make sure the pieces fit snugly together to create a sturdy structure. Then, attach the back piece and finally, the top piece. Ensure all connections are secure and there are no gaps. A well-assembled box will provide a safe and cozy home for the birds. Step 3. Create the entrance hole. Using a drill bit slightly larger than the intended bird species, drill an entrance hole on the front piece, a few inches below the top. This allows easy access for the birds. The hole size is crucial. A smaller hole deters larger, potentially predatory birds. Make sure to research the ideal hole size for the birds you want to attract. Step 4. Add drainage and ventilation. Drill several small holes in the base for water drainage and a few small holes near the top for ventilation. This helps maintain a healthy environment inside the birdhouse. These small additions ensure a dry and comfortable environment for the birds. Proper ventilation and drainage are essential to prevent mold and keep the birdhouse clean. Step 5. Smooth the edges. Using sandpaper, smooth out any rough edges or splinters on the inside and outside of the cave. This step is important to prevent injuries to the birds. This prevents injuries to the birds' delicate feet and bodies. A well-finished birdhouse will be more inviting and safer for its new residents. Congratulations! You've built a bird cave. Now, it's time to find the perfect spot to place your creation and welcome its new feathered residents. Choose a location that is safe from predators and has some shelter from the elements.